In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone on a WhatsApp group. So if you're in a WhatsApp group with a lot of people and want to send one general message to everyone in the group, here's how to do it. So you'll open WhatsApp and then go to your specific group. And once I'm inside my group, up at the top I can see I have a couple members. And if I want to tag them all in one message, I'm going to have to type the @ symbol, click on one of their names, and then do the same for the other. It is a common misunderstanding that you can also just type the @ symbol and then everyone to tag everyone in the group, but when I press the spacebar, you can see that it does not turn blue, and when I send the message, again, it does not turn blue, which means no one was tagged. So again, if you need to tag everyone in your WhatsApp group, you're going to have to type the @ symbol and then tag each individual person, because right now, WhatsApp does not have a one-tap function where you can tag every person in the group all at once. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment if this worked for you.